Let's take a look at this TETOTE vanity light mirror out of the box. The packaging stood out to me because of these hard foam reinforced corners, and that means that my mirror arrived without a scratch on it. This is a big deal because we know how shipping goes sometimes, but thankfully I didn't have to worry about it with this one. This kit comes with screws and anchors so you can successfully mount this to your wall with these fancy metal mounting brackets so you can just hang your mirror right onto it. It also comes with a template so you can mount it correctly the first time, complete with instructions that tell you exactly how to do so and help you hardwire it if you choose to do so. But today I'm going to be using the plug. And immediately when you plug it in, this mirror turns on and it displays a beautiful bright light. Keep in mind that I still have the protective cover on some of this mirror, but it is very clear and no scratches whatsoever. And I can definitely appreciate all the extra effort that went into protecting this during shipping. So if you were to hardwire this mirror, it would turn on every time you flip the switch, but in my case, I just press the power button and this beautiful strip lights up, and that's right on the front of the mirror. The power button has a very light press, and if you hold down on it, it will actually dim and brighten the light. So that's as dim as it goes, and this is as bright as it goes. And if you continue pressing the power button, it will cycle through warm, cool, and a medium light color. This other button at the top activates the anti-fog, so if you keep this in a bathroom, it will get rid of the fog after you take a shower, and it has an auto shut off, or you can manually shut it off yourself. But overall, I think this mirror works great for what it is. I cannot wait to get it hung up in my bathroom, and I just love the quality first impression that I got from opening this up. Hopefully this helps you.